An arthroscope is inserted to evaluate the glenohumeral joint and the subacromial space to observe the anatomical structures and bursal hyperplasia, as well as to assess whether there is any injury to the long head tendon of the biceps and the degree of acromial hyperplasia and rotator cuff tear. In the first step, a orthogold suture is threaded through one end of the suture via an anterior approach from the articular side to the bursal side, and the suture is recovered by the anterolateral approach grasper. The pointed passage through the tendon as far inward as possible, ideally 10 mm medial to the outer edge of the rotator cuff tear. The other end of the second part of the suture is passed through the rotator cuff tissue 1 cm from the exit of the first stitch and passed through in the bursal articular direction. These are done with the PDS wire passing through the suture lasso, creating a thread loop on the bursal side of the rotator cuff and recovering the articular side of the suture through the anterior lateral approach. In the third step, the suture end passes medial to the exit of the second stitch of the thread loop on the bursal side of the rotator cuff, and then through the joint bursal side. Similarly, the other end of the suture passes medial to the exit of the first stitch of the thread loop on the joint bursal side. Now, we complete the modified Mason-Allen suture to form a sunglass loop. If the tear is extensive, the number of sunglass loop sutures for medial repair may be increased depending on the specific repair. We can reset the rotator cuff tissues via traction with the high tensile suture. At this point, one trilinear anchor nail is placed into the greater tuberosity, and the assistant maintains traction on the previously completed sunglass loop suture. Then complete a simple vertical mattress suture repair of the rotator cuff. Medial sutures are then recovered through an anterolateral approach and secured with external rows of anchors 10 mm distal to the greater tuberosity. The modified Mason-Allen suture enhancement sunglass loop single row repair is a knotless, rapid repair that consists of a medial knotless sunglass loop suture loop and a lateral, triple, stranded anchor stitch single row repair, in which the medial sunglass loop suture enhances the suture grip